Hello all, this is Quita with the Quitassential Life, and I am coming to you with the spread of this week, the week of the 25th of January. I already laid some washi down, and I want to get to planning for this week. So I'm definitely glad. If you are a returning subby, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. It means so much to me on my track to trying to get monetized and trying to hit that 1,000 subby and 4,000 watch hours, which is very difficult. So I have a great appreciation for you coming and checking my channel out. If you're new here, please hit that like, subscribe, and share button. Share the video with those who you think might be interested. So thanks again. Let's sort of see what we got going on. I already pulled some stickers out on my wax paper here. And then I have, those stickers came from these books, Sassy Plans, Bright's huge sticker book, and a couple from Womankind. And I still have some other things here. Coffee sheet, I can't even remember. Oh, Sticker Sisters, Etsy, got that from there. Might use some of this, who knows. And then I have stickers from my own shop, my own Etsy shop, Quita Queendom Cuts, that I might use in this spread as well. So I'm going to just pull these pages out and get us to going. Move this out the way. Okay, so what do we have here? I definitely want to cover that up. It doesn't really match what I have here. Okay, and we're back. Let's see, I want to cover that. Where am I? Here we go. I'm going to layer this to try to cover it some. With my Choose Joy leaf I got going on. I really want to stagger it, so I'm gonna have to move that. Okay. And put this layering box right on the line. A little further down. I don't want to see none of that. Okay. Now I can put a little Choose Joy here, and then I'm actually okay with that little bit of greenery sticking out since I'm putting leaves here. Okay. We are going to use one of the dolls in my shop on this side. Alright, we're going to add her here. I need to use this coffee one because it's sort of bent up. I don't want to waste it. Get a little glue on that end. It's been up for a while. So I hope you all are doing well and hanging in there. I know everybody's having a rough time. And it's really hitting home these days. Too much happening. Too much happening. Let me hold that for a minute. And I'm going to get my to-do list on here. Right in the middle. With my must-do on it. I'm going to use this sticker from my shop. This girl runs on coffee and Jesus. Ooh, that's the truth. Let me just add you right here. Okay. I got a kitty that's sick that I have to call the vet for. And I am going to take care of that today. I have meds I have to order for that. So we're going to just double this up for my babies, my fur babies. Okay, I like to put a little decor at the top. So I'm going to put this in the middle and work around that. I hope y'all are getting this. Okay. I don't want it to be too cluttered because I need writing space. So I'm going to hit this box right here. Making it up as I go, y'all. Certain things I need to highlight right here for Thursday. I got bills that have to be hit. I am teleworking today in PJs. Just, yeah, I'm just saying. Okay. But I'm working. And I got a meeting scheduled for tomorrow. That's a pretty big, and I don't put all my work stuff on there, but I really do have to be reminded of that when I fill in everything. And I have a pretty important call I need to take care of today. And yeah, payday. Weekend on there. I think I need some more boxes. Date night is Friday. So we're gonna put you up here. Now I am taking one of my Plan Time stickers from my shop, and I always do some planning, if not filming, on Sunday. And I will be teleworking from home when this video gets uploaded. Okay. My little coffee. vapors here. So we are PJs all day and we are working from home, but we got a couple other things to do. Okay. A video of hair coming up. I wash my hair, let it air dry. I'm going to review my Maxi Glide. So, where am I going to put that? Yes, I need to find my, okay. I got a couple of deadlines. I need a few more boxes. Give me a second. Gold on here. We're going to try this one. Out of this book. Because I got deadlines that I have got to hit. So, I want to make sure I do that. And remind myself what I got to do under that. Okay. Yes, we are adulting like a boss. We're going to put that in the middle because I will have to. Now I need some, I need some bullets. And this. Now we are supposed to have bad weather in the east, but I don't think my particular area is going to get hit as hard with others, so I want to be mindful of the weather, so I'm going to put a little something on here for that as well. And we're going to put you right here because I need to check it throughout the week. One more right here. Okay. That was all my wax paper stuff. Hold on, y'all. I gotta find something else. Okay, and we are back. I picked up, pulled out a few more things to just finish off this spread. Oh, there's my heart upside down. Put them on the wax paper. So, I'm adding this here. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry. Where did I want this to go? I don't forgot already. Yeah, here. And I got church Zoom. I am the communication ministries leader at my church, so I have stuff to do. And we are going to be present. That's something I have to work on and be purposeful with. So that's one reason why I wanted to add that. Okay. And you're just going to put a couple hearts around here for accents. We're going to put a heart on our little paycheck. Okay. Because we love that. We love our paycheck. Yes, we do. And these I got from Sticker Sisters on Etsy. And some of them actually have sayings. And I'm going to coffee it up over here a little bit. The first coffee. Yes, Lord. Okay. And where will this live? I think we're going to put you over here. Here, right here. We have things to put here. Okay, this is our spread for the week of January 25th through the 31st. Let's put her back where she belongs in my planner. You saw this earlier. Just love this. And this is the last week in this month. So here we go. She's back at home. Let me move some of this out the way. Two in the middle here. Just want you to know these are mostly Happy Planner, but I do have some of my stickers from my shop. This is from my shop, Quita Queen Them Cuts. This girl runs on Coffee and Jesus, which is the gospel for me, also in my shop. Working from home. I actually have my bonnet on right now. Working from home. I'm getting ready to start that because I'm editing this very early in the morning. This also is from my shop. I actually permed my hair. And this Plan Time is from my shop as well. So don't forget to come out, check me out, Quita Queen Them Cuts. And I appreciate you coming back today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. And thank you for visiting the Quitassential Life. Bye-bye, y'all. Thank you. Hope you like this.